Hello Queens, it's your girl again. If it's your first time here, my name is Ariel. This is where we talk beauty, fashion and lifestyle. So today we're gonna go through another makeup tutorial. First, if you have not subscribed already, please go ahead and hit that button for me, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment and what you think about the look. So today we're going through another makeup tutorial. Basically, this look was achieved with this palette. So I found a new palette, yes, from Ulta. This one is from Morphe, and it's Morphe by Nyane. I'm not sure about. The title is Fierce Fairy Tale. Let me show you guys what it looks like inside. So these are the colors that we have. You have pink shades, the green and blue. Then we have the orange and yellow. I like it because I feel like they're separated for you already. It's basically you're having 3 palettes in one. So we can accomplish at least 4 different looks with this. So today we're gonna focus on this side of it. So today we're going orange, then the other 2, then a whole one will be for another day. So this is a shade that I use, and that's how it comes out. So on this particular look, I focus on 2 colors, orange and yellow. So the orange one went outer corner, and I use the yellow one in the inner corner, basically.
Till you came around. All this time, you're the only reason I'm not chasing highs. What is love? Lately I've been wondering just what is love? I don't know. No one ever showed me I've been on my own for too long. But if you hold me now, let me into your heart. Maybe I can start to love again and tend to my scars. Can you show me how? Can you love me with all you've got? 'Cause
So today we're focusing on green and blue side of the palette. I use a lime green basically at the base, like for the whole eyelid, then wine blue outer corner, and light green, I should call it, inner corner. So here comes the final look of a blue and green side of the palette. I really love how it turns out. Okay, now let's focus on purple and pink. Final touch. What do you guys think? I want to see all of this in the comment, please. Okay, so today we're gonna do a whole palette. First start with brown on the orange side, basically the darker color on this palette, and that's the one that we're gonna put out the corner and right there, because I'm trying to use it as a contour as well. So I bring it all the way to my nose tips just to kind of blend it in with the contour. So that's the one that we're gonna put like inner corner on the outside inner corner, I think. Okay, so somewhere here down the road, I forgot to record, or my camera shut down. I don't know what happened, but I couldn't find that video. But inner corner, I went back with a lighter green that I used early on. That's what I put inner corner. And I used a liner just to make a cut. And that particular liner was a blue liner from, I got it from Fashion Nova. Yeah, it was a blue one. So that's what we have. Final look. I think I'm gonna have to reproduce this look again because I feel like that has been the best look ever on this palette. Okay, ladies, this is where you're gonna end it today. You've seen the whole process, you've seen the final look. Please let me know how I did. Give this video a thumbs up. Leave me a comment. What you think about the look, and I'll see you guys in my next video.